Hey everyone, quick update for the week ending Friday, May 9th. Hope everybody had a good week. Quick look at the markets and then I'll jump into my trades, starting with the VIX. Volatility continuing to contract. Final number for spot VIX, 21.90 to end the week. The S&P had a little bit of a down move on Monday, Tuesday. Of course, FOMC on Wednesday. So Wednesday and Thursday bounced, and then today pretty flat, and that's pretty similar price action. NASDAQ, Dow, Russell across the board. Gold had a big bounce Monday, Tuesday, gave a bunch of it back the last couple of days. Looked like it was ready to rip through all-time highs again, but rolled over a little bit the last couple days. Silver a little bit more sideways. Notes and bonds a little bit down on the week. 10-year yield ended up, settling in at 4.382 to end the week. Oil gapped down Monday and Sunday night Monday, and then pretty decent sized bounce here from about a little over $55 a barrel, ending at over 61. Natural gas up for the week. Soybeans sideways. Wheat a little bit lower, and corn lower as well. The euro and the pound both a little bit weaker. U.S. dollar getting a little bit of strength this week, and Bitcoin took off. Started the week, it came down Monday down to below 95,000. Ended the week at over 10,300 on the futures. Not too far off from all-time highs. So those are the markets here. Let's look at my trades. Starting with my 0 and 1 DTE. By the way, I'm including Thursday and Friday from last week, since that was the month. The month ended kind of midweek, so just to keep my sheet clean, this includes the last couple days of the week last week, starting May 1st. So a little over 5,500. Most of this is price action iron condors. Had a few FOMC trades mixed in there, but for the most part, and a couple little 1 DTEs, but for the most part, price action iron condors. My BIX did well. Today was a great day. So a little over 7,200 for the week, and then last week couple red days. So between the two, up about 4,500. No Woogas. Mahomes I had 2 pins this week, so that put that red minus 3,000. Just a higher percentage of pins than can be expected on those, but haven't decided what I'm going to do with that yet. I may fire Mahomes. I haven't decided yet. Calendars, just a couple little ones. Pretty much scratch. Transformers, just one DTE for tiny profit. No options selling closed. And then day trade's pretty small, like just kind of a scratch week. I've been keeping my position size really small. I had one position where I've had some big wins the last few months in day trading. And so I could feel myself getting a little loose, and I've been in this situation. I've seen this movie before where I had big wins and then I gave it all back. So I don't want to put myself in that position. So I've kind of really scaled down my size back to what I was doing previous to the last couple months. And, a lot of the volatility is not where it was either. So that's part of scaling back. And then just kind of, resetting my discipline from a position size standpoint. And then just really haven't really caught many good trades here, so pretty break even here over the last week for day trades. And then these are just earnings, just kind of for fun, earnings flies, picking a direction, either doing calls on the upside or puts on the downside. AMD was a little bit of a winner, but the others were losers, so a little bit negative on those. So that's it for the week. Everybody have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.